A roof rarely fails all at once. You might see a ceiling stain, a lifted shingle, or a tile out of line. We repair, replace, and install roofs for Santa Monica homes and businesses. Tell us what you can see. Asphalt shingle work runs from a single patch to a full tear-off and re-roof. Tear-off means we remove the old covering before the new system goes down. We also work on tile, natural slate, and standing seam metal. Damage in one area may point toward a repair. Wear across several slopes may point toward a replacement. Flashing seals the joints on your roof, and the decking underneath matters too. We look at overall condition first. Flat and low-slope roofs need a different approach. Torch-down modified bitumen is our main low-slope system, and we install TPO as well. Commercial buildings get the same plain review of the roof already there. A free roofing estimate prices the work we propose. A detailed written roof condition report is a separate paid service. Name the one you want when you call. Call Santa Monica Roofing Contractors at 424-217-3627. Describe your roof.